The plus button allows you to create a new blank presentation that is based on a color template of your choosing. The icon beside this allows you to create a new Explain Everything presentation that is based on an existing project. You can choose a PowerPoint presentation, a Keynote presentation, a PDF file, or a photo file, and Word documents also work. When you are finished your Explain Everything presentation, you can return to the home screen and export this. You can create a movie file that could then be shared via Google Drive with your students. With every slide, you have a series of options. You have the Move, Resize, and Rotate Objects button at the top. You have the ability to add a new slide at any point. You can draw with the pencil tool or with the palm of your hand. You can add shapes such as arrows and circles. You can type on a typewriter using the text option. You can import a file, photo, or video. You may also delete an object if you don't like it. You have presenter tools, such as I am using now. You have object information, which when selected gives you a host of options you can do to modify an object. You have an Edit Undo button. You have an ability to adjust your screen and your zooming, and you can minimize or maximize your toolbar. You're always given the option to change your colors and to rearrange your slides. If you would like to record narration, as I am doing now, press the Record button and you will instantly start recording your audio. If you want to check your progress, you can open up your time symbol and then you will see your timeline. Once you press play or pause, your recording is stopped, and you can scrub through your timeline to choose any point to re-record your narration if you're not happy with your first attempt. On the bottom right-hand side of your screen, you have options to export your Explain Everything project once you are done. You can export your slides as images. You can export your project as a movie to the camera roll or straight to Google Drive. You can simply save your project in Explain Everything, and once saved, you can return to the home screen. This is an example of your exporting options. You can export a video file, as it says, a PDF file, an image file, or simply a project, and you can export that to a number of options: Photos, iTunes, Dropbox, but for us, probably most importantly would be Google Drive. Now it's time for everyone to open Explain Everything. Locate the icon, if you haven't done so, on your iPad. Create a new blank project. Choose a color template that suits you for now. Experiment with your tools. Perhaps you could type something and use the pointer to explain what's going on. And save your progress to continue editing later.